Okay, welcome back everybody. Yes, you were correct. So A, E, I, O, U were the vowels. Now shall we do an exercise on articles? Before that, I want to show you a screen, one more screen, just to explain you better. Now, can you see? First, they are telling A is used before the words which are beginning with the consonant sound. जो कॉन्सोनेंट के साउंड से वर्ड स्टार्ट होते हैं उनसे पहले अ लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ मैन, अ लैम्प, अ कैट, because all these three words are beginning with a consonant. Next, the words which begin with a vowel sound, मतलब a e i o u से start होते हैं, उनसे पहले हम लगाते हैं an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. So these were the articles. Now, how many of you are ready for the exercise? Articles exercise, show a thumbs up. Okay, very good. Now I'm sharing the exercise. You have to send me the answers same way in the chat box only, privately. Just a second.
Ma'am?
Yes, I'm just sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can start doing it. This is number 1. You can put the number along with your answer. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tushar, please don't speak your answers loudly. Everybody will get to know your answers. You have to send me in the chat box. Children, and please put the number along with the answer. Otherwise, I will not get to know that which answer you have sent me. If you're sending numbers 1, so write 1 and only the answer, A or an. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, you can go to washroom.
Okay.
Talish, first correct.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please speak. Yes, Rhythm.
आपका आ ही नहीं रहा कि ओके मैम, आपने किसी और आईडी से कर रखा था ना, इसलिए मेरे को पता नहीं चला था कि कौन सा कौन. अब मैं मेरे को पता है.
Okay. Talish, all correct till now.
2 minutes, ma'am.
5th correct, Talish.
1 पहला है AN, दूसरा है N.
Rhythm, please mute yourself.
1. Okay, ma'am.
Talish, correct till now all. Others are not sending by. Talish, 8th also correct.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, I have done.
Who is seeing this? Children, when I share on the screen, I'm not able to see your face. So please tell me who is speaking.
Ma'am, Tushar.
Yes, Tushar, you can send me the answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have sent.
I haven't received your answers. Kulpreet, your answer is correct. No need to write the full. Just say a book. Only write a or an and the number. First a, second whatever the answer is. Okay, Tushar, I have received your answers.
Girl.
Speed up, everybody.
Mom, I'm tall.
Okay, I'm just checking everybody's. Kulpreet first correct. Talish 10th till 10th all are correct. Kulpreet second correct, third correct. Tushar, I'm checking all your answers together only. You have sent together, very good. Very good, Tushar, all correct. Jusmaira first correct. Kulpreet fourth correct. Talish 11th correct. Kulpreet 5th, 6th correct. Jusmaira second correct. Kulpreet 7th correct. Talish 12th correct. Jusmaira third also correct. Fourth also correct. Talish, yes, all you're correct. Tushar, all you're correct. Kulpreet 8th correct. Jusmaira 5th, 6th correct. 7th correct, Jusmaira. Kulpreet 9th and 10th correct. Jusmaira 8th, 9th and 10th correct. Very good. Kulpreet 11th correct. अब तक किसी का भी wrong नहीं हुआ. Jusmaira 11th, 12th correct. Kulpreet 12th correct. Very good. Vivan, I haven't received your answers. And Rhythm, your answers I haven't received.
को मिल गए हमारे आंसर.
Who is saying this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is saying? No, Rhythm, I haven't received your answers.
Ma'am, what is your ID? Okay, ma'am. 2 minutes. Please. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Vivan, your answers? Okay, I guess Vivan hasn't joined in. Rhythm fast. We have to do the most difficult. Kulpreet is waiting for the most difficult sheet. Yes, Kulpreet? Okay. Rhythm, shall I share the screen again or you are having the sheet? First, second correct, Rhythm.
2 minutes.
Third correct, Rhythm. Fourth correct, Rhythm.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I am waiting. Fifth correct, Rhythm. Sixth correct, Rhythm. Very good. Only 6 are left.
Okay.
Seventh correct, Rhythm. Eighth correct, Rhythm.
2 minutes, ma'am.
No problem. Ninth correct, Rhythm. Only 3 are left. Okay, now by that time Rhythm is sending, I am sharing 10th correct Rhythm, the jumbled letters sheet. And one more thing is there in that sheet, like the words are given on both the sides. Okay, and they are the antonyms of each other. Antonyms means opposites. Rhythm 11th correct. Okay, so we have to find its antonym also. 12th also correct. Very good Rhythm. Now the last sheet for the day. One example is also given. Can you see? This side it is closed, this side it is open, and they are opposites. Opposites are also called antonyms. Opposites का एक और नाम होता है antonyms. Like we also have two names ना, एक जो हमें मम्मा पापा प्यार से बोलते हैं और एक हमारा स्कूल का नेम. वैसे ही opposite words के भी two names होते हैं, एक opposites और एक antonyms. Okay, let's start doing it. Let's take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, you have to send me with the number. And your time starts now, and you will be getting, there are 18, so you will be getting 10 minutes. Just Myra has started also. Very good, Just Myra. Just Myra, your first one is correct. You have sent me. Others also speed up. Very good, Just Myra. Third also correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is speaking? Please tell your name first.
I am Ridham.
Yes, Rhythm, please tell.
मैम हमें बाद में नंबर जानना है या पहले ही?
First number, then the answer.
Okay. पहला नंबर.
जैसे आपने पहले भेजे थे वैसे ही भेजने रिदम.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
Vivan, you have joined just now. We are doing this sheet of jumbled words and opposites. इनके अंदर jumbled भी है और opposites भी हैं. One example is given. Close का open. Talish, second correct.
Ma'am, what is the second word?
Think.
सेकंड का लोस्ट है पर मैम विन का कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
दो लॉस्ट होते हैं ना, एक तो जैसे हमारा होता है विन और लॉस्ट. एक चीज हमारी घूम जाती है और एक चीज मिल जाती है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फाउंड.
मिलने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
फाउंड. फाउंड.
फाउंड.
यस.
मैम वो है. अच्छा अभी पता.
वेरी गुड जसमायरा. जसमायरा फोर्थ क्यों छोड़ दिया?
ओपन. मैम मुझे आ नहीं रहा था.
Okay, it's okay.
मैम मैं लास्ट में आपको आंसर भेज दूंगी.
Okay,
Last
it's
में
okay,
मैं
no
सारे
problem.
and please see my
Rhythm. रिदम आप ना सेकंड वर्ड देखो क्या दिया हुआ है, LSTOL, लॉस्ट. तो आप मुझे लिखकर भेजोगे लॉस्ट, और फिर उसके साथ उसका अपोजिट. मैं आपको एक भेजती हूँ, आपको कैसे भेजना है रिदम, आपको शायद समझ नहीं आया. फर्स्ट यू विल पुट द नंबर.
I will मेरे को समझ में आ गया.
रिदम देखो मैंने आपको एक भेजा है.
ओके मैं शुरू से करता हूँ.
Talish, you are putting wrong number. The one which you have sent me just now is third number.
open. 14 open.
Rhythm, now you are sending correct.
Okay ma'am.
Very good. Jasmira, seventh also correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Kulpreet is not getting it. How to do it?
Okay, ma'am. I'll just send an example. Kulpreet, I have sent you second answer. Please see. They are the opposites. Kulpreet, is it clear now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Kulpreet, if you have any confusion, you can ask me anytime. Very good, Jasmira. Talish, it's okay if you are not able to do fourth. It's okay. Try the next one.
मैं थर्ड वाला नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
It is very simple.
मैम थर्ड को समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
सोचो सोचो. This word is used in maths also.
Okay ma'am. 4D D4 मैथ में ये वर्ड समझ तो
Yes, Gurpreet, now you are doing correct. Gurpreet, third correct. Tushar, third correct. Very good. Jasmira, ninth correct. Very good. Jasmira, I guess you are left with fourth only. Yes, Jusmaira, you are right. Jusmaira has done all very good. Very good, Kulpreet. Now you are understanding. Very good.
मेरे को थर्ड वाला
Yeah.
और समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
Who is saying this?
एग्जाम में
Tushar, fifth correct.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
Which one?
थर्ड.
Who is speaking this? Please tell your name. Then only I'll be able to send you the answer.
मैम दूसरा.
Rhythm.
यस मैम.
Okay, I'm sending you the answer. Rhythm, I have sent you the answer. Please check. Tushar, fifth correct.
Before.
Vivan, please start answering.
Ma'am, is fifth and is fifth ending word I or L?
Fifth. Who is asking? Kulpreet, fifth correct.
Talish.
Talish. Okay, Talish, I'm just messaging you. Talish, I have sent you. Please check.
Ma'am, can we move?
Who is asking?
Ma'am,
Please tell your name. Kulpreet, sixth correct.
ma'am, just Myra call.
Jusmaira, please wait. Let others also do. They'll take only 5 minutes. We'll end the class together. Kulpreet, sixth correct. Very good. Please speed up, everybody. Very good, Kulpreet. Seventh also correct. Very good, Tushar. Very good, Talish. Speed up, speed up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इसमें से.
कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा.
Ma'am,
सोचो
मेरे को
रिदम. कुलप्रीत एट्थ करेक्ट. रिदम कहाँ तक सॉल्व कर लिया आपने?
थर्ड तक only.
Only third तक. Okay, I'll fourth one I'll tell you. Remaining you'll try to answer on your own. और जब आप देखोगे ना कितना सिंपल था, then you'll say, ma'am, it was so simple. मुझे तो आता है. Rhythm, check your chat box, please.
Okay, ma'am. ये तो मेरे को आता था. फिर भी ये कहते.
Very good, Kulpreet. Others, please speed up. Kulpreet and Jusmaira are through with the scramble words. Tushar, speed up. I guess yours only 1 or 2 is left. Talish, done?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
I
in which you
can't do.
which part?
6th.
6th is also very simple. Just a second, Talish. I'm sending you the 6th answer. Talish, 6th I have sent. Okay. Tushar, you don't know 4th, 6th and 8th. No problem. I'll help you. Tushar, I have sent you 4th. Tushar, I have sent you 6th. And last also 8th sent Tushar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So now this was the difficult one I was talking about. That in that you have to unscramble the word also and you have to find its opposite also. I have told, okay, I want to ask one question. First question from Jasmira. What is the other name of opposites? मैंने opposites का एक नया नाम बताया था.
Antonyms.
Antonyms. Very good. And one more question I told. Okay. Question is from Talish. Talish, before consonants, what is used?
A.
Oh, okay. Tushar, before aeroplane, which article will come?
A or N?
Mommy.
एरोप्लेन के आगे
I'm
vowel
asking,
लगेगा या
एरोप्लेन के पहले क्या लगाएंगे? ए लगाएंगे या एन लगाएंगे?
मैम को बताओ.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, and okay, correct. Next question, Kulpreet, your question is, how many articles are there? Total, how many articles are there? 3. Very good. Next question, Jasmira. Name the 3 articles.
A and the.
Very good. A and the. Okay, Talish, give all the 5 vowels.
A, E, I, O, U.
Very good. Tushar, how many consonants are there?
21.
Very good. 21 consonants are there. Very good. So you are very intelligent. You all are very, very intelligent. So have you understood what we have done today? Please show a thumbs up. Double thumbs up, Tushar. Very good. Okay, I hope you liked the class. Okay, I hope we will meet soon. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Enjoy your days. Spend quality time with your family members. And we hope that coronavirus goes away soon. Okay? Okay, bye everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
I'm Speedy Secretary.
What are you saying, Tushar?
Speedy Secretary.
recovery.
I didn't get you. Can you
He's
please
saying
repeat?
speedy recovery.